You're wasting time copying data of websites into Excel. Let me show you the faster way, and it takes less than a minute. Manually copying web tables ruin your formatting and kills your workflow. Today, I'll show you how to import web data cleanly in a few clicks. First, you'll open Excel and head to the Data tab at the top ribbon. You'll see a button that says Get Data from Web. Click that. A dialog box will pop up asking for URL. So now, talking about the URL, have a look at the website. So this is Wikipedia that shows us the list of countries by GDP. And here you'll find various tables. Now, if I start copying these tables into my sheet manually, it would take lots of time and even the formatting would be incorrect. So this is a very good shortcut that would help you. Right. We'll paste the URL and hit OK. Excel will go off and connect to that page. Here's where the magic happens. A navigator panel opens on the right. Excel has already found all the tables on that page and listed them for you. Click through them to preview which one has the data you actually want. So there's so many tables over here. We want the table with USA on top, so that's table 10. Let's click on that, hit load. Excel pulls it straight in, perfectly formatted. No copy-paste mess. Your data lands in its own sheet, ready to analyze. And here's the bonus. This is a live connection. When the website updates, your data would update automatically. No more manual downloading. That's it. If this saved you time, drop a yes in the comments and follow for more Excel tips. I post such tips regularly. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.